A school sells 7 pencils and 8 notebooks for $4.15. It also sells 5 pencils and 3 notebooks for $1.77. How much do 16 pencils and 10 notebooks cost? So I thought the easiest way to do this was to have pencils as P, the cost of one pencil, and the cost of one notebook as N. So we can then write, so this is the cost, okay, P, and this is in dollars, it's not in cents. So if this was P dollars and the notebook, the cost would be $N. Okay, so then the cost of 7 pencils and 8 notebooks, we can write this as 7P plus 8N equals 4.15, and this is my equation 1. And then 5 pencils, so 5P plus 3N equals 1.77, and that's my equation 2. So then all I have to do is to cancel one of these terms. So I could multiply 1 by 3 and 2 by 8 to cancel out the n, or you can cancel the p and it would be the same thing. So then what we would get is we get 7 times 3 is 21p plus 8 times 3 is 24n equals 4.15 multiplied by 3, so it's 5 times 3, 15, 5, 1, 45, 12.45, and 5 times 8 is 40p plus 24n equals 7 times 8, 56, 6, and we carry over 5, again 7 times 8 is 56 and 5, 61, 1 and 6, 8 and 6, 14. So that's what we get. And now if we are to subtract one from the other, we would get 6 minus 5 is 1, 4 is 7, and 4, 11, and this is 3 minus 2 is 1. So we get that equals with a minus sign, and equals minus, this would be 9, and 3 minus 1, 19, so P. So we can cancel out the minus, and we are left with P is 1.71 divided by 19, and we know that 19 times 9 is 171, so this would be 0.09. So definitely that means the cost of a pencil is 9 cents. Now what's the cost of a notebook? The cost of a notebook would be, we have to multiply it, 5 times 0.09 plus 3n equals 1.77, so we get 45.77 minus 0.45, or 3n equals 5 minus 7 minus 5, 2, 4, 3, and then 1.32. So therefore n would equal 0.3 times 4 is 12, and 144. So the cost of a notebook is 44 cents. So we have to find out 16 pencils and 10 notebooks. So obviously 16 pencils would cost 16 multiplied by 0.09, and that is 1.44. So we'd have $1 before that, and then we get the notebooks. That would be 10 times 0.44, and that is $4.40. So then what we get is we have to add them up, okay, because how much do they cost, and pencils and notebooks. So we have to add them up. So if we add up these values, not the whole thing, I mean to say just this bit. So that's 4, 4 and 4, 8, and 5. So that's the answer, 5.84. So how much do they cost? They would cost $5.84.